do that stretch for the shoulder, the posterior capsule, and this should be able to decrease any kind of pressure that you might have on the front portion of the shoulder, decreasing any kind of impingement type syndromes, and we go forward. So here's what we're gonna do. Keep the body laying nice and straight. We're gonna put the elbow at 90 degrees, pretty much like an L, okay? Then we're gonna bend this elbow. We're gonna use this hand, all right? We're gonna put that hand on top of this hand. All right, now, before we go any further, we wanna make sure that we are pinching those shoulder blades together. So pinch back nice and tight. Yeah, there you go. And then you're gonna gently try to get that hand to lay flat on the ground. All right, stop there. Now, right here,